Presidential anti-poverty czar Larry Gadon accuses the Supreme Court of politicking after it found him guilty of gross misconduct. In a press conference, Gadon says the alleged politicking stemmed from a statement he made the day before the Supreme Court released its decision. Gadon was referring to his statement where he predicted that Vice President Sara Duterte would not be re-elected or win any position in 2028 due to the way her supporters have treated President Bongbong Marcos.
Halatang-halata na ito ay nakihalo sa politika ang Supreme Court. Sapagkat in less than 24 hours that I have issued a statement that Sara will not win in 2028, naglabas agad sila ng desisyon. Minadali nila, kaya nagkamali-mali sila ng kanilang ruling.
Asked about the connection between his statement and the ruling, Gadon notes that Chief Justice Alexander Gesmundo was an appointee of former President Rodrigo Duterte and is also close with his daughter, Vice President Sara Duterte. Gadon alludes to Justice Marvic Leonen as another alleged instigator, linking the impeachment case he filed against Leonen in 2019. He also mentions former ABS-CBN reporter Mike Navallo, who was recently named as the Supreme Court's Chief Communications Officer.
Well, I am not blaming ABS-CBN, pero siguro because of some connection before with ABS-CBN, siyempre, may galit din niya rin sa akin si Mike Navallo dahil kasi ako ang unang-unang nag-file ng complaint against ABS-CBN on the granting of temporary franchise by the Congress. So, talagang yun, may na-violate din ulit doon sa bagay na yan.
But Navallo has been out of the country since early 2024. He will start working at the Supreme Court only on August 1. It should also be noted that Gadon does not present any kind of proof to support his accusations. The High Court found Gadon guilty of gross misconduct after making accusations against former Chief Justice Maria Lourdes Sereno based on hearsay. He was fined and declared ineligible for judicial clemency.